Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, I came India for food.
It is too hot.
Today I wanna share what I ate in India.
Hi. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's start, check it out, my food trip.
Bound to Dubai is boarding now. We like to invite.
This is my first day in India.
Now I'm in India.
Okay, this is my plan. Today I will go to India for tour.
You know, I'm really excited.
Many people ask me, why did you choose India? Then I was like, I wanna explore India food.
Only me. Where is Malaysia airline?
Going to?
92?
Going to where?
India.
Cash counter.
Ah, here. Thank you.
I love traveling, so I wanna go everywhere.
India, which part of India?
Also, I think I'm young, but I'm brave.
You have back to check in.
Yeah. Here?
Before going to India, the first thing I did was get the visa. The second thing I did was book plane ticket. I finally got in the plane. I was so excited.
Now I'm India, so I wanna try some food in here and tour. I'm really excited now. Hello, my hotel stop. Hello, hello. So I'm really excited. Let's go. Namaste. Let's go. Street food.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Deepak.
Deepa. Hi, Deepa.
Yeah, hi. What is your name?
My name is Kelly.
Kenny?
Kelly.
Kenny?
Kelly.
Kelly?
Oh, Kelly.
Oh, nice name.
Yeah. Now I will eat street food in here. I'm excited.
Which one do you like street food? Maybe
Oh,
idli is a rice rice.
oh,
Idli making for rice.
yeah.
Dosa rice.
Yes. Good. Let's go.
What is your favorite Indian food? Please recommend me. I will try that.
Yeah, first road cross and then.
Hello. Let's go. Wow, here have so many street food in here. Hi, what is that?
Vada pav.
This is Indian food?
Vada pav. Indian burger.
Indian burger? It's good? Good? Acha? Acha?
Yeah, acha. Yes, it is.
How much?
15 rupees.
A bit, 1, 5, 50? Oh, can I go one? One. I wanna get one. This is like 50 rupees. Right. Hello. I wanna get hamburger, like street hamburger. I don't know. Hello. Come here. Hi. How can I eat this?
It is too hot.
Too hot, right? He making my burger. Wow! Wow! Hello, hello. Okay, let's try this one. This is Yami. Yami, what is this name? Vada pav? Indian burger. Vada pav. Let's try vada pav in here. Okay? Let's try. What is inside? I love it. It is so spicy. Hello. What is your name? Huh? Ananya. Do you like it? Do you want some? No? Inside there, what is that? What is that? Inside?
Inside potato.
Potato. Hello, hello. Wow. Inside there are potato and it's really hot. But you know, I wanna give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. It's like burger. Why? No? Why? Free? It's okay? Wow! Nice! Wow, they say free! Is it right? Ah, thank you! I love India! Do you like Korea?
Yeah.
Do you like Korea?
Yes.
Do I look like Korea? Do I look like Korea?
I love Korea.
You love Korea? I love India. Okay? Say Namaste. 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 I love you. I love you. Okay, let's go other place. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Wow. Wow. Here have so many places. This is a little bit salty and spicy.
Yeah,
Potato is a little bit salty and spicy. Let's go here.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. What is that? Hello. What is that? What is that? Oh, what is that?
Very hot.
Oh, very hot. Oh, very hot. What is that?
Medu vada.
Mango vada. Is it famous food?
Similar. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Not? Oh, I have a YouTube channel.
What is it called?
Kenny Korea. Text me.
Wait. Cannot type it.
Here. Subscribe me.
Yeah.
Subscribe me. Okay. Hello. Wee.
When you will upload this video?
Oh,
This one.
yeah. This is my first video.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Hello, cute. Hello. Boy. Good. What is this? This is famous food. Good? Acha? Good? It's good? It's yummy? It's acha? How much is one piece?
सही है क्या?
How much one piece?
30
अरे
rupees.
खाने का है ना?
How much is it? One piece, one piece. Oh, okay. One. Can I get one? Oh. Let's go. Oh, it's too hot. Really hot. This is potato. Potato.
आएगा।
Try it. Try it. Like that?
Ah, yes.
ना बना तो खा दो।